Confused on how to activate the Seizo plugin from Seizo? Here's a guide on how to activate Seizo. First, you will need a Firebase. Go to firebase.google.com, sign in. If you haven't registered an account, please do register and go to the console. Next, you will need to create a new Firebase project. You will need to enter your project name and click continue. You don't have to enable Gemini in Firebase. Right now, just disable it and click continue. For Google Analytics, it's up to you. If you don't want to enable it, it's okay. For me, I will disable it and I will click create project to continue. Now you will create a new project. Please wait and click continue when it is ready. Now you have arrived in your project overview. Go to build, then off, and click get started. And set up your sign-in method as email and password. And then enable email and password here and click save. Next, you will need to activate Firestore. Go to build, Firestore database, then click create database. Select standard edition. Next, in location, select US West 1, Oregon. Right now, the database in US West 1 is the cheapest among all. You can select other location. Just make sure you know what you are doing. For beginner, just use US West 1. Next, in the configure step, just select start in production mode and click create. Next, you will need to activate storage. Go to build, storage, and click get started. Now you have to select the locations as US West 1 and click continue. And then click create to continue. Next, you will need to activate functions. Go to build function. Next, you will need to upgrade your project. You will need to set up billing and also budget amount. For budget amount, I will set 1 MIR. Firebase billing is the same as your water bill. Instead of charging you expensive money fees, Firebase will bill accordingly to how much you use. For example, if you expect 1 million orders within a month, then your budget should be 5 USD. If you're just starting up, you don't have to worry. So right now, Firebase provides 10,000 orders for free. For me right now, I just want to stick on the free plan as possible. So I input 1 MIR for right now. And then I click continue. And then click link cloud billing account. After the successful message, click that. Next, this is a very important part. You will need an extension called Auto Stop Service. This extension will help to stop all cost overrun. The reason you need this because unlike traditional server, Firebase will continue run and scale to million and billion user. And the Firebase downside is it will run after billion and trillion user. Let me explain. Firebase charge based on usage, and sometimes things does not go what we intended. Many experienced developers get burned and pay a huge price for it. So please install this extension so you may sleep soundly at night. And please note, I will not hold any responsible, and I have warned you. So go to Build Extension and click on Explore Extension Hub. In the Extension Hub, find Auto Stop Service and click Install and select your project and click Next. And enable Artificial Register and click Next. Review assets granted to this extension, click Next. For cloud function location, choose US West 1 and then click Install Extension. Okay, right now the extension is installing. You might need to wait a while, and once it is installed, done, go to the gear icon beside the project overview, click Project Setting and click the web icon at the bottom. Give it a nickname. We are not using Firebase hosting, so untick Firebase hosting and click Register App. Now you will see a bunch of code right here. Do not panic. Hold on. We'll go to Seizo plugin inside the Seizo app. Go to your project plugin and activate. Now you will see an API field and off-domain field and so on. Okay, go back to Firebase console. You need to copy the API key value without the quotation mark to the Seizo plugin. Same as others. Off-domain to off-domain field. Project ID to project ID. Storage bucket to storage bucket. Messaging sender ID to messaging sender ID. App ID to app ID. You don't have to fill in for the measuring ID because that is optional. For Firebase server location, DBB has US West 1. Next, we will need Stripe API key. Yes, please register and Stripe account and log into Stripe account. At the bottom left, click developer and click on API keys. Copy the publisher key to Stripe Live publisher key. Copy your secret key to Stripe Live secret key. Next, we will add Stripe test API key. Click on your account name on top left, click switch to sandbox and click test mode. And now there's an orange bar on top to indicate you are in test mode. Then you need to copy the publishable key to Stripe test publishable key and copy a secret key to Stripe test secret key. Next, choose your currency for your store right now. Next, you will add place or country allowed to ship to, and the country you cannot allow to ship to. Next, you will add the shipping cost for your country and state right here. Leaving it empty, that means you allow free shipping for all eligible countries. Once you are done, you can click activate. It will start installing the e-commerce function. It says prompt you to log into your Google account. Next, you will need to log into your email and password to register you as admin. Next, you can view all your product in a list of product tabs. You can add products in the add product tabs. You can view all the orders in the order list tab. And you can change your product setting in the product setting tab. That's all. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. I will see you next time.